Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science Channel. This Friday afternoon, Friday morning, late Friday morning, this January 8th. As always, do get ready to. Uh, okay, just update my database for today. I think anyway. Yep. Most of my data now comes from two sources: the New York Times and Our World and Data.org. Our World and Data.org has a pretty extensive database of COVID-19 related statistics and numbers. New York Times is in all honesty, I'm not sure how reliable they are. I hope, at the overall, I hope their numbers are correct. But I know, for instance, for a fact that they are shaving the numbers off of New York County, New York City counties numbers. Because what they're doing is they're taking if someone dies of COVID-19 in New York City County, but they're from another city or another county, they're sending that death back to that county in question. And the question then becomes: Are those people in other counties accepting these numbers? Because if they're not, okay, if they're not, then that means, okay, that New York's numbers are not valid. And my guess is the New York Times probably doesn't really care what the receiving counties do with these numbers. The New York Times is only concerned with shaving New York Times numbers. It's as simple as that. It was completely unethical what they're doing. But of course, the New York Times is always doing this stuff, along with the liberal media. Okay, sorry for the little rant there, but I feel much better that I got that off my chest. Okay, so let's go back over here now. Okay, so let's go back over here on the New York Times source. Okay, so I'm actually updating the tables for the New York Times. This includes a state total table, a county total table, and a U.S. level table. All these numbers out of the box are cumulative totals. So I have a script which is written by a friend who actually takes these daily, the cumulative total for each day and splits them back out into daily totals. Okay, Now we're going to run the our world in data script. So we see we're using a different database. It's a our world database using full data tables and our world in data COVID-19 data. These combined, these pretty much cover everything you would want to see on a for reporting purposes. But what we can see here, you can see that the data is still. I mean, there's a lot of volatility here. Why not? I'm honestly not sure why that is. Okay, I'm honestly not sure why there's so much volatility on a day-to-day basis. All right. So that was what deaths. You zoom in, take a look at cases now. Why all of a sudden does this thing start wildly, wildly, why all of a sudden is this around November? Is these numbers get so volatile for? How come it's not a nice tight spike here? Because you can continue this up. Why all of a sudden is this wild day-to-day swing here? Okay. So anyway, so that updates. Let's just check the database over here. Our world in data. This does the 7th. So according to our world in data, we this number is this number is all the way up till probably the end of business day tomorrow. Yesterday, okay. I mean, all right. So let me say that one more time. Even though this is the 8th, this probably means that the data is current as of the close of business yesterday on January 7th, 2021. Okay. Good. Okay, that takes care of the update for our database, and I'll be back in a couple minutes with a few reports for you folks.